how popular is your point that we need to work hard? Like, how popular is this?
In construction, that's why it's in capital letters. It's the utmost of importance because you have to show up and you have to work super hard in this industry, and people know immediately when you're that person comes with an attitude that is going to put in the work. And I can say that for many years I was on a crew. I wasn't the person that knew how to do all these particular things in an efficient way sometimes, but I knew that no one could outwork me. I knew that I could go and show up and get some direction on, okay, here's what we need to achieve today. Here's our goals for the day, and figure out a game plan and work really hard to get it done. And wasn't afraid of hard work. I had a father still alive that showed that to me every day. Showing up and putting in your best. And you're not doing it for a paycheck. You're doing it because that's the job that needs to get done, and you get rewarded later with the paycheck. So it's the mindset that you have about work, and you have to have that thing on the inside of you that drives you to say, I'm going to put in everything that I have to my job, and whatever that may be. And people see that. People recognize that when the person shows up to come to work and to work hard, and not trying to get by, not trying to cut corners, not trying to hide, and think that you're not being seen. And so, and it's not something that is, I can't say that everyone comes to the job with that mindset that working hard is important, and stop talking and go to work. And I remember having to share as a superintendent. There's a guy that would talk all the time. He said, I don't have a problem with you talking, but I need you to work at the same time. And you're not being able, you can't do both. So which one do you think you're going to do that's going to keep you here, right? So it's kind of like, okay, get to work, right? And really understanding that you're not going to let anyone distract you from what provides you with your livelihood. And again, recognizing that work, working hard ethic and mindset really does get rewarded, and people see it. And it speaks volumes to your bosses and those folks who have influence for what happens next in your career.